Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Discovery Lane Preschool. Today, we are going to go on an amazing virtual tour of Discovery Lane.
Discovery Lane is inspired by the pedagogy of Reggio Emilia, developed by Lorez Malaguzzi. The approach is communal and individualized, tailored to students' interests. The program is inspired by the principles of respect, responsibility, and community. Through exploration and discovery, students are supported by an enriching environment based on the interests of the students through a self-guided curriculum. Discovery Lane provides AM snack, PM snack, and lunch. AM snack and PM snack are included in the tuition cost. Lunch is an extra $3 a day added to tuition. Students will be served meals that are organic and healthy. Extensive literature research and consultations with the nutritionist were performed to ensure students have quality meals. The benefits of children eating healthy meals includes stabilizing their energy, improves their minds, evens out their moods, helps them to maintain a healthy weight, and helps to prevent mental health conditions. In supplement to our curriculum, we have monthly special partnerships. Our specials include My Gym, Horticulture, which is led by our very own Mr. Johnny, Soccer Shots, I Am Crafty Kids, and Culinary Arts, led by Chef Brazil. Throughout the school year, Discovery Lane hosts a number of community and school-wide events. We host Back to School Night, Fall Festival, Trunk and Treat, Wellness Day, and our biggest event of the school year, our book fair.
Discovery Lane is a 12-month program. Our school year consists of the months September through June. The months of July and August, we have summer enrichment. Day at Discovery Lane Preschool. This is a day that we offer to our incoming students. This is a day that they come to the school and they just get a chance to explore their school, see their teacher, meet new friends, see where the cafeteria at. They get AM snack, PM snack, they get a lunch. This is just a day for them to get acclimated to their new surroundings. So when they begin on their first day, it's not a shock to them.